What's up? What's up? Ooh, let's get some music going. Hey. NFP today. My headphones. Man. I swear, every NFP gold likes to range right before NFP. This is so typical of gold right now. So typical of gold. But I do want to look at what happened during our last NFP. Last NFP session. Oh wait, was that the one where the market was closed for a bank holiday? Might have been. What was that, May? I mean March. It might be good. It might be good. We'll have a look anyway. We'll have a look. See what's goody. See what's goody. Is that a bit loud? Yeah. Just turn it down slightly. All right. Are we buying or selling gold? What's up, Benny? What's up, Chris? We're not doing anything just yet. Not doing anything. We're waiting. We're waiting. We're waiting. Do you see any opportunities in this price action right now? That is the question. The answer is yes. Wait for that setup. If the answer is no, still wait for that setup. Gold is just ranging. Wait till after NFP. That's exactly what I'm going to do. Gold is not looking clear to me. No, gold is definitely not looking clear. Definitely not. So if I do take a trade, it's because I've got a closure above 47.33, 47.34 up here. Or if I get a closure below 46.82. So down here, daily will be bearish, 4 hour will also be bearish. But for now, in this range, I don't see any opportunities. Nothing. Sometimes we get a retest of an old support to bounce up from. But in here, I mean, there's so many levels. Got a little support there. This probably is the stronger one. This area, because we've had multiple taps. 1, 2, 3. Then we have this one down here. You know, multiple taps. And then obviously down here, multiple taps. So any of these levels could potentially get a retest, but none of them are looking like really solid to me. So I'm gonna wait. No rush. I think the volume comes after NFP, so I'm hoping that, you know, we get the move there. Boy Genius, what's up? What's up? How you doing? How are you today? Happy Friday. Happy NFP day. Let's catch some pips. Let's catch some pips. There's been so much news this morning. Last night I thought gold was going to sell. I can't lie. I don't have the... It's gone. You know, America started bombing Iran again. And then Trump called them love taps. That man is insane. Let's see, looking good in black. Thank you, thank you. I think this is actually dark blue. But thank you. Let's check out the news. Look. What's happening? What's happening, Rich Raff? Look at this. Trump is on one right now. Trump is on one. There's Tech, you good? Look at this. That's good. Look, they've been firing at each other, shooting each other, missiles, bombing ships. Nuts. Told me, what did you tell me yesterday? What did you tell me yesterday? Seized tanker was carrying Iranian oil. Yeah, this war is kind of escalating again. But it hasn't really been that bullish for gold. Obviously, it wouldn't be if the war is kicking off again. It's going to push oil and DXY up again, and then we'll see some more gold sells. But then right after that, right after this news, they said we're negotiating a ceasefire. So it's probably just not low impact, but I don't think it's going to keep going on, to be honest. I mean, look, this was 7 hours ago. I'm trying to find where they said they were done with it. Do you only trade gold? No, I trade NAS. I trade NASDAQ, and I trade pound yen. Bit of NAS. Did I move that daily? Nope. NASDAQ has been beautifully bullish. Oh look, that's old. Don't need that anymore because we hit that target. It's actually had a target for NAS which got hit yesterday. At all-time highs, I like to use fibs. I like to use fibs for all-time highs. And look, we hit that -27. Hit that -27, so you know we can adjust. So next level, if you push up 28,916, just for a target. What, pound yen? Oof, pound yen. GJ overall, I'm bullish. I'm bullish on pound yen, right? But the yen currency intervention, apparently they were acting out. This is, you know, they've had a bank holiday for majority of the week. What's up, Smokey? They had currency bank holiday most of the week, but apparently they've still been intervening in their currency, and that's why we've had these sharp drops. But the sells aren't continuing, and the overall trend of pound yen is still bullish. It is still bullish. So if we break back into like 214, I think we could push back up again. But pound yen right now is just sideways. I can't trade GJ when it's sideways like this. I don't like it. Please, can you help me to be consistent? I'm 19 years old trying to figure it out through trading. Consistency comes through creating rules for yourself and following those rules only. So first you have to identify what issues you are having. If you overtrade, if you over risk, if you aren't sure of your strategy, those things will make you inconsistent. Random results. And if you find you have those problems, then you need to figure out a solution, how you can stop overtrading, how you can stop over risking. All of that stuff comes from journaling, tracking your trades, like thoroughly, end of day reviews, stuff like that. That will help you be consistent. It's a lot of discipline, and you build discipline by having a routine and sticking to your rules and the process. That's it. That's it. I think a lot of inconsistencies comes from emotional behavior in trading. But you can't escape it. You cannot escape emotional behavior. They say don't be emotional. You're going to get emotional. It's going to happen. It's just how you manage your emotions. And if you're aware of it before you act out, then you can manage it. You cannot. You feel me? You dig? But you'll get there, you'll get there. You've got time. You've got time. Alright, let's do a daily analysis before this news kicks in. And we'll also look at what happened during last month's NFP. See if we can get an idea of what might happen. So the daily yesterday had a massive pullback to end the day. It also came back for this bottom wick. Right, let's go to Thursday. Reversal kicked in as I predicted. Yeah, I mean, we were looking for it was 7 o'clock. Is it? Oh, I'm on the wrong day, that's why. Alright, so yeah, we're bullish yesterday going into it, but also very aware. Remember, I had this drawn out right here, that this candle had no bottom wick. So I was very cautious of taking the sells without this candle having a bottom wick, because price was going to come back and create that wick. So eventually it did happen. We came back for the wick, we pulled up, but it happened, I won't say that late in the day, but sort of mid towards the end of London session. And that left us with a very long daily top wick, which we filled some of it, half of it I would say, but now we have a continuation pattern on the daily, and it plays out if we fill yesterday's top wick up to 47.65. Now, NFP could help us do that, or it might not. Bear in mind it is Friday, and you know we like Friday sell-offs. We do. But yeah, how big was this move? $770 pips, 780 pips. Nice little drop. It was a nice little drop. But yeah, today, if you know, we're ranging before NFP. David Attenborough's 100 years old today. Is he still alive? I'm not trying to wish death on that man, but god damn. This man is still alive. Wow. Oh my gosh, if you Google his name, it says thank you for... Oh no, that's dope. Hold on, I've got to show you guys. I wonder if that's gonna pop up. That's dope. Did it pop up here? Oh, that's lit. That's lit. Thank you, Sir David. 100 years. Oh, that's dope. Damn. What's happening, Emmanuel? Wild. Wild. Man, he's seen everything. 100 years? Imagine being born in 1926. He's seen a lot. Wow. Alright, let's look and see what happened during the last NFP. Last NFP was April the 3rd, and I'm sure, man, he's seen everything. He can probably predict stuff now at this point. Like, you know, every 8 years this happens. He's been through all the market crashes, a lot of the market crashes. I think he was born just after the Great Depression. Wild. Alright, so April 3rd, I do believe the market was closed on this day. Like, we didn't actually get to see NFP. I don't think we did. I don't think we did. Think we got any price action? I'm good, man. I'm good. You? What's happening, Ali? What's up with gold? Gold is ranging before NFP. That's what's up with gold. It's just sideways. Yeah, look. Yeah, gold was closed. I had a feeling. I remember last NFP, I wasn't sure. I was like, what happened with NFP? Nada. Nothing happened. So what are our predictions today? But we can look at the one before. So it's predicted to be 65k, which is a very low forecast. Look what it came out last time. These good numbers, when the numbers were this good, I think gold was bearish. Now, if it comes out -92, let's see what happened March the 6th. Let's see what's up. Un momento. So March the 6th. Was that at? It was at 1:30. Lovely. March 6th, 1:30. Wow. So we have bad numbers. Gold pushed up and then retraced. I remember that on a 15-minute time frame. I remember that. Had a massive push. We had a massive push on the news and then it dropped right after. You're still holding your sell of yesterday. Wow, where'd you get in? You must have a good entry. You get in off this 4-hour resistance, which couldn't break. That was a good area to look at, definitely. Do you use candlesticks for confirmation? Candlesticks, support, resistance levels. Wow, why are we all the way up here? Yeah. If we get a nice move today, get a real good move today. In 20 minutes. Look, it's like gold is bullish, but it was struggling to push up. Look at these top wicks on the 4-hour time frame. Gold was not staying bullish, was it? What's happening, Rosie? What's happening? Roger's streaming. Is he? Let me see what Roger's doing. That guy's so funny, man. He does buy stops and sell stops, gets smacked. I feel like he does it for entertainment now. When you're losing money for entertainment, you got too much money. You got too much money. He actually calls it the casino as well. He's a funny guy. Oh, we heading back to Asian lows? Where are we going? What do you reckon, Smokey? Is this the drop before the buys? I'm not selling. I'm not taking any moves before NFP. I'm waiting until afterwards. No way. Look, we got high impact news in at 1:30. Right here, you see these red folders? I'm not trading into that. I'm not taking any quick positions before that. I'm waiting until after. If I was swing trading or holding from high up, then yeah, but right now, no. No, no, no. All right, let's do a quick poll. Buys, sells, add an option, both. What's happening, Haroon? What's good? What's good? Hey people, there's a candle at 46.91 with no bottom wick on 15 minutes, so I think it will come to claim that. Okay, okay, on the 15 minute. Oh, down here. Okie dokie, okie dokie. Cool, cool. Need some range for that candle. Need some range for that candle right there. Smokey said it might be sells. Okay, okay. Haroon says buys. Get your votes in, guys. Get your votes in. What do you think? I mean, I don't know how the numbers are going to come out. We never know how the numbers are going to come out, do we? You can only wait until they do come out and then act accordingly. I want buys. I'm still holding it. What do you think about the selling? I mean, if you're in the sells already, then the sells look good. The sells look good, don't they? Because price is going down right now. It is a lottery. Anything can happen. Anything can happen, guys. But you know me, I like a retest of a key level. I like a retest. So I'm gonna delete that one. So if gold is gonna like drop any further, if gold drops, I would like to see it drop to 46.83 and then bounce up from there. Bounce, or if it pushes up, maybe a retest of 47.33 and then maybe rejects, because it's also like Asian highs up here too, which pretty much got rejected this morning. Spliff, what's going on? What's going on? I think we get a nice big move today. No? Get a big move, big Friday move. Hopefully there's no manipulation already, and yeah, hopefully we get to play. We get to join the party. Well, go on, can you tell me what you see on US 30? On US 30? US 30? US 30 is looking kind of bullish. Well, it's looking bullish. Daily's bullish. 4 hours bullish. It's above Asian highs. But the buys are slowing down. You've got weaker candle bodies. I'll be looking for two things on US 30. We've got pretty much a 4-hour double top here. Pretty strong 4-hour resistance. And these 4-hour candles, they're pushing up slowly, just retracing some of this drop. I'll be looking out for the 4-hour in case it makes a lower high and then sells down from here. But I mean, overall it looks quite bullish. It looks quite bullish. There's just not really much. I mean, the structure isn't pretty nice. It's not very nice. Very nice. Looks more bearish, like lower time frame or immediate bias kind of looks more bearish, but overall it looks bullish. It's a tough one. What are you thinking? Gold is selling since yesterday. I thought gold was gonna be sells last night when Iran was getting bombed, or they were basically at war on the Strait of Hormuz. They were. I was like, oh shoot. And that's why we had a drive down yesterday, right at the end of the day when the news actually came out. This candle here was a big drop. Look at this candle. 300 pip drop in the last 30 minutes of the day. And this was all escalation. This was all war stuff. All of it. So I was like, oh man, gold is just gonna open and tank. That's what I was thinking. And then I should have screenshotted the other stuff. Trump was like, no, we're gonna come to a peace agreement soon. Don't worry about it. That was just, those attacks, they were just love taps. That's what he said. The attacks, the missiles, love taps. That's what he called it. The man is mad. Love taps. That's how you show people love taps? Oh man. Oh man. Buy back up. We came to the 50% level already. Yeah, he's mad. Trump is deranged. Let me be careful. I don't want to talk too crazy about Trump. Get my page shut down and stuff. I doubt it. But you never know. Raja Casino. Oh, I do kind of want to see what he's setting up for here, because he's so funny, man. I'm in two minds about the direction of gold. Fundamentally, I'm more bullish on gold. I'm still bullish on gold. You know, we've held at this 4-hour support, so I don't know if NFP really keeps gold bearish, or we get a bearish reaction and then continue with the overall bullish bias. That's why I'm like, I'm not sure on gold. Look at this 4-hour. We haven't broken the high, haven't broken the low. We're just inside. Ranging. We've just been ranging. Just ranging. All the people in sales, where are you selling to? What's your target? Where are you selling to? What's your TPs? Gold is stubborn like a bad stepchild. Man, gold ranges before NFP. It's just what it does. It always ranges. This is the last NFP. Okay, it kind of dropped a bit, but it was still within this range here. It doesn't really do much on the day. We've had a slow trickle down. That was March because April was closed. April was closed, but if we look at, let me go here. Let's look at, when was it? When did I say it was? April the 3rd, yeah. I'm looking at that 130. Let's go military time. Oh shoot, look, still got it on the chart. Still got it. So this was last month's NFP. The market was closed, but this right here, this is like the crypto gold chart. Potential price action. Or if you are trading gold USDT, which represents the dollar, we would have had a sharp drop on gold. $86 pips. It's not crazy, but still. That's how I see it. Good numbers. Good numbers should be bearish for gold. Bad numbers should be bullish for gold. That's typically how it works. Well, we got 5 minutes. 5 minutes. See what this poll's saying. Ooh, so we have 38% saying buys, 38% saying sells, 23% saying both. That we're gonna get a whipsaw. Oof. You guys. What would you vote for? I would vote for I would vote for, what's the number, 65k. Sell 100s. The way I would decide my vote is, what do I think the employment numbers are going to be now? I can't guess it. I have no idea what it's going to be. Do I think it's going to be higher? Do I think it's going to be lower? Do I think more jobs have been added to... Do I think people are getting more jobs in the US? I kind of don't. I think the number's going to be lower. So I guess that means gold buys. I don't know. I'm playing devil's advocate and thinking we're going to get a red month. But that's just a guess. That's literally a guess. I wouldn't base a trade off of a guess. I wouldn't trade off a guess. You know what I mean? Sorry to everyone that's in sales. I really hope your sales do work out though. I do hope your sales work out for real. I don't want the trade to go against you, you know? Everyone get their W's, man. But it's just a guess. I could be wrong. I prepare for either way. If the numbers come out good, then gold sells. If the numbers come out bad, then gold buys. That's just typically how the market reacts to that news. Ash, what's good? What's goody? Everyone full port right now. Scared money don't make no money. God damn. Look at Smokey. Look at Smokey. Look at Smokey. You're funny. Where did Roger go? Full port it and have a steak. Oh man, look at Raj. I want to see what Raj does. Not gonna lie.
Yeah, set that shit up. Let's do
he's
it,
on the
man.
phone.
No, we're ready. We're ready to take.
Oh, that's no good. That's no good.
47.01, and we're ready to
That's no
and
good,
we're ready
Raj.
to take buys above 47.17. Okay, great, perfect, thank you. Okay, guys, perfect.
Oh, he wants to take sells.
To our LDs,
47.01.
and we are ready. You can even see the spread over here. Probably manage UAE Canada in case you need
No
someone in
buy
UAE.
stops
I
and
would
sell
definitely get
stops.
part of it. Oh, thank you, Omar. Thank you. Let me consult with the team. But thank you, man. I appreciate it.
This guy's too funny.
Are we putting stop loss or not?
How long we got?
Are we
1 minute.
putting stop loss? The question is, are you putting stop loss?
We'll come back. We're gonna come back and see. The man's an entertainer. I'll give him that. I'll give him that. Bit of Friday fun, bit of a gamble. Let's do some buy stops and sell stops, guys. Let's go for it. Fuck it. Let's do it. Sell stops right here, 47.02. Buy stops, 47.20. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. How long we got? Now I'm going to watch these spreads start jumping. That's what happens. The spreads start going crazy. Everyone cast your votes. All right, the buyers have the majority right now. Ooh. Buyers have the majority. 43%. I'm going to end this poll now because that's it. It's locked in. Your vote is your vote. 43% said buys. 36% said sells. 21% said whipsaw. Ooh. Man said it's either steak or sardines, nothing in between. Smokey is a real one. Alright, let's go. In fact, let's drop this because this will tell us the numbers before. Oh, straight down. Straight down. You gonna keep going? Give us our numbers. Give us our numbers. Farm 115. Very good numbers. Very good numbers. Huge numbers. So why are we going up? So good numbers. Unemployment rate is still the same. Hourly earnings low. Okay, gold. So what are we doing here? Good numbers should be bearish for gold. I don't understand where this bounce is coming from. Okay, now it looks like we're coming back down. It's doing what it's supposed to do, I think. Spreads are still jumping up and down. On M15. What on M15? What's happening on a 15-minute? Look. We had a little dry, but we still didn't come to this 4-hour low. Still didn't come to this 4-hour low yet. We're not out of the woods yet. We just need to see what's going on here. What did Roger do? He took buys. This man is something else. He moved his buy stop down. Yeah, oh. It nearly hit his sell stop. Nearly hit his sell stop. Come on, gold, hurry up. And it swung back up. Oh, he reduced it. He got slipped like crazy. And then got out. Oh, man, he's a funny guy, man. Price didn't go up much. Wow. Goldie, where we going? This is what I mean about having multiple supports. Don't know which one's gonna get retested, which one's gonna hold, because we're in this range. I had this one, but it was broken. This one. I still wouldn't look for any trades until price breaks 47.33 and we come up out of this Asian range. But you see how this 4 hour didn't break this 4 hour low. We still have 26 minutes. But this here is very concerning to me for sells. The fact that we've pushed down a couple times and not broken this 4 hour low. For more sells today, I need these 4 hour lows to be broken. 25 minutes, just under 26 minutes. Let's see what gold does. Did anyone take the trades? Any brave souls in here? Who's a brave soul? Who's a brave soul? Smokey. I know Smokey went full port into some buys. Right, Smokey? Right, Smokey? I know Ash got into some buys. I know Gold Pippin got in. Gold Pippin got in. Maybe like 47.06. 47.06 on the push back up. Maybe 47.04 around there. I think this is your area of entry right here. Nah, no buys for me. Yeah, you don't really fuck with NFP, do you? Yeah, you're right. You right. The crazy thing is, yeah, I wanted the buys if the numbers were bad. But the numbers were good and it bought up. Like, that's nuts. Daily continuation pattern. Yes, Ash, yes. Where have you been? This week? Work got you working, huh? I think I want 47.65, and then we got the daily continuation patterns filled out. Remember, guys, fill this top wick right here. 47.65. That's the target. What a push. Alright, sorry. I entered the buys. Nice. Where'd you get in? I hope you got in nice and low. Where'd you get in, Chris? Hope you got a nice deep entry. Gold sell, but trap on buys. I mean, you would say that because you're in sells. I would say that too if I was you. Buy with lower risks. Where did you get in, Ali? What's your entry? What's your entry? I've got Nas up here twice. Look, everything's booming. This is how I should have known. We should have known what gold was going to do when Nas started pushing up like this. This tells us everything. Nas is pushing, gold pushes. Trade with AUUSD. Price is just going to induce sellers to take liquidity and continue with the buys. Ooh, okay. So we got buys in here. We got sells in here. Who's gonna win? Welcome, Trade with AUUSD. Talk to us. Talk to us, Oracle. What do you know that we don't? What's your target for the buys? What's your target? I think there's at least 4 people in here that are looking for buyers. My target personally is 47.65. Yesterday's Wick fill right here. That's all I want. That's all I want. If gold can close above this resistance right here, 47.33, 34, I'm looking to get in. But that's just me though. In from Atlanta. Right, if we hold below this resistance now, if we hold below here and also in this Asian range, then maybe we get the sales back down. But I'm kind of, if I'm following the daily higher time frames, bullish daily, bullish 4 hour, then price might be going up. Let me see. This is tough. There is a liquidity resting at 46.94. Price will take that and continue with the buyers. Okay, so you want the drop first and then the push up. Okay. Let's see if gold can drop all the way back down there. Oh, and the message is gone. I read very quick, guys, so, you know, make sure you know what you're typing before you put it in. If you don't want me to read it. I just want gold to break out of this range though. I know that much. This range is killing me now. All morning we've been in here. All morning. I can get rid of Raj now. This range has done your head in. Can't even be bothered to trade it. And I know you'd probably normally be scalping the shit out of this price action, innit? But yeah, it has been a horrible, very horrible price action this morning. But if you guys go back, a lot of the times before we get high impact news, like really high impact news, like NFP and stuff, price will range the morning before. It happens a lot. It happens a lot. Listen, this is a Tesco meal deal type of price action. You know, you scan it at Tesco, pops up with a meal deal. That's a nice little pop right there. I don't know if gold's trying to come out of this range, you know. I don't know. I don't know. Oh, there we go. Damn, that was a pullback. Little drop. Oh, it's the 15-minute, isn't it? It does this. It actually does this. Like, you get the move up, and then the next candle, the 15-minute candle, will retrace the move. It's literally what happened in March. Look at March. Remember that we had the strong push up for NFP, and then a 15 just dropped right back down. Right back down. Ugh. Is that gonna happen again today? Is it? You know, history likes to repeat itself. And daily already broke prior day's lows. It did. Price action just a little confused. A little confused. A little. But you know, in a continuation pattern, we can break the highs and lows. Let me see if I got a picture of this one. Let me see. I just realized I didn't send my daily analysis. M15 you had mad daily continuation patterns. Let me see. I keep forgetting. I've been forgetting. My bad. My bad, guys. My bad. Was that, you mean the March one? You talk about March? Oh, here. It's like continuation pattern. Oh yeah. Yeah. I see it. Sorry, there's a bit of a delay, but you know, I'll catch up. Alright. What am I looking for? Right, boom. So this is the one we're looking at right here. Something like this one right here. something like this. Remember, these are patterns that I've seen play out. Just like these particular ones are very common patterns. But you know the crazy thing? Sometimes these patterns, we can see this price action, these candles look like this, but they might not close like this. They might not close like this. And I'll give you an example of when this has happened. So this one in particular here, this one actually happened yesterday. We pushed up. We created a bearish candle that barely had a top wick, and then we pushed up, but we actually retraced. But this is the one that I can see happening for today's daily time frame. Look, we break the low, very long top wick, but we fill the wick. Hold on. This one yesterday was right. It was on the 30-minute. It was yesterday. This one. It was this right here. This was it. Look, you get the long bullish candle, pretty much no top wick. This candle pushed up, created that top wick. It would have looked like this at one point. You're gonna get that drive up, but then it just closed and pulled back down because, you know, barely a top wick. That's its own rule right there. I'm telling you, man. It's very good for scalping. Depending on the time frame, I think it's a very good scalping candlestick pattern. Two areas of interest for liquidity. Grab for buys. Continuation 46.94 and 46.57. Okay, so you want some deep drops. You want some deep drops. Okay. Maybe a late sell-off. More news at 3-2. There is more news today, isn't there? Where's my Forex factory? There is more news today. Calendar. But it's orange folder. Prelim UOM consumer sentiment. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Cool. Cool. What's happening, Rich? You good? You're back. What's up? You missed this NFP move? Did you catch it? Catch the move. I didn't trade it. Okay. Cool. Me neither. It's a manipulation. Yo, Forex in general is a manipulation. You could say that on any day. On any day. It's a damn manipulation. Forex is a constant, not really. Shoot, that's what I wanted to do. Someone is at your door. Oh, packages. 1 second, guys. 1 second. Uno momento. Who's at my door? 1 sec. Okay, what we got going on? Still kind of pushing. I know the direction was buy because US was weak. Okay, the dollar's weak. But let's look at the dollar. But depending on oil, I need a breakout and retest before entering a trade. Cool. Well, I'm not even gonna watch GJ. BXY is looking very bearish. Yeah, DXY looking very bearish. Oh, up we go. Come on, 47.65 gold. Come on, let's get there. Let's get it. Right, let's see if we can get a break now. Let's go. Can't wait for this closure. Hey. It's either gonna break or hold, right? At this resistance, one of the two. Now we're just approaching Asian highs again. We're back at Asian highs, so I'll be very cautious here. I would love gold to get to 47.65, but you know, if this Asian highs holds right here, these are Asian highs right here. Asian highs hold, yeah. Then no bueno. Goldie, what's happening, Enoch? How you doing today? How are you today? Did you catch these gold buys? Give me 1 second, guys. Oh, that was a sharp little drop. Oh, we coming back down. Oh, 2 o'clock. Okay, let's see how that 4-hour candle closed over here. We on that time frame. So we still closed bullish. Didn't break that last 4-hour high. I wonder if we create another long wick. You caught the buy? Yes, well done, man. Well done, well done. Well done. The buys were nice. The buys were nice. How big was that move up? So the buys were, I mean, it's a 300 pip candle from wick to wick. Real nice, real nice. I was hoping we'd get more of it. Well, 300 pips movement is not bad for NFP. It's not bad for NFP. I do want to see us break out of this range though, man. I was hoping we'd get out of this range. Whether it be buys or sells, I didn't want to be in this range after NFP. You know, I thought it would give us some direction. Oh, look, a little pullback on NAS too. No bueno. NFP is slow these days, right? NFP used to be like 500-600 pips back in the day. Oh, the good old days. The good old days. NFP used to be popping. Yeah, we don't get that no more, do we? We don't get that kind of price action no more. We get that kind of price action when there's like war news. That's when we get that kind of price action. Oh, maybe we get the push now. Or Trump tariffs, which he's starting back on the tariff stuff, but I don't think that's going to be crazy. NSP used to move like 1,000 pips, buys and sells within 30 minutes. Listen, within like, yeah, it's true, it's true. Even in a 30-minute candle, NFP candle used to be huge. And it would continue. It wouldn't, like that, for that full 30 minutes, gold price would be pushing. We'd have like little sharp pullbacks, but it would continue in that same direction. And then maybe the next 30 minutes or hour, we might retrace half of that move. But it really used to, you know, trend. We don't get that no more. Yeah, man, NFP was the shit. It was the shit. It was also mixed news too. Oh yeah, because of the little, this minus 0.2. Yeah. Not even a whipsaw. He does it. I'm sure I saw something about it. And the price just skip up and down. What's goody? What we doing? Federal government employment continued to decline. No one wants to work for Trump, huh? Yeah. I'm gonna read that later. I'm gonna read that. If we don't break out of this range, if we don't break up bullish out of this range, I think we get some good sells today. If we don't push above 47.33, if we don't break 4-hour highs, I think we get some good sells. Yeah. I kind of feel the sells too. Yeah. I'm watching it. I just feel like the push up should have, not that it has to happen within a set time, but I feel like if it was gonna push, it would have pushed. But I'm just in two minds. I'm in two minds. I like the continuation pattern. I really want that to play out. But maybe after the news. Maybe after that 3 o'clock news, we might get something. It just seems to be playing in this range. I don't like that. Don't like us playing in this range. The last 4-hour candles have been weak bullish. Exactly. Long wicks. Nearly indecisive candles, because look at the size of the wicks. Like, this is very bullish, and then we had a strong pullback. Bullish and then massive pullback. They're not really pushing. Could be a 4-hour bottom wick right now. Could be. It could be. It could be. Hey, I'm a trade what gives me a setup. If I don't get the setup and price does its thing without me, then so be it. Then so be it. What can I do? What can I do, right? This is random, but has anyone on the stream heard of Nature Boy Cult Carbonation? I've been on a YouTube rabbit hole over this all week. What's in the Discord? The Discord is a bunch of different traders. I post daily analysis. We have trade meetings at the end of the week. Yeah, you can just talk in every session, talk about your ideas, your analysis, just chop it up with other traders. most of the traders that are, I'll say about half of the people in here on the Discord are active in there. But yeah, that's what's in the Discord. It's pretty chill. It's pretty chill. Some good traders in there. Some good traders in there. Yeah, look, man, gold. I don't know, man. I don't know about these buyers, right? I love the buyers, but we kind of respected Asian highs again. We came close. To get more active in there. Yeah, you do, Benny. You do. Where you been at? You need to put it on your phone. It's only on tablet. Gold is going down now 100%. 100%. 100%. That's a very sure. 100%. I mean, I guess you do have money on it. Is this lagging? Is it me or are we lagging? You are in the cells, so if there was an entry outside of the range, outside of this range, yeah, then I could say, yeah, the cells. But right in all of this mess, there's no setups right now for me. We're still looking like a barcode, still sideways. I see we swept Asian highs. Yes, we have. Look for sells. What's your opinion? Yeah, if we stay within this Asian range and push down, then yeah, I think we sell. Because I only wanted buyers if we broke out of this Asian range, which hasn't happened. NFP didn't push us out of it. So yeah, I can imagine, I can see the sells. I want the buyers, but I'm not seeing them playing out. I'm not seeing the price action that's giving me like confidence in the buyers. I really don't. See what happens at market open, but yeah, it's not looking too hot. Oh, look, Nas is coming down. Nas is coming down. That's never good for gold buys. That's not. If gold breaks prior H1, might be a tank. See that? I can see that. I can see that. I can see that. Where's the H1 lows? Down here, 4700. Yeah, it'll also be below this 4-hour low too. So yeah, I can see that. I can see that. Check M15. What's on M15? You guys, if you want to send charts, then send it in the Discord and I'll share it. I'll share it. We can talk about it. You know, put some analysis on there for me so we can see what you're talking about. That would be extremely helpful. Extremely helpful. Appreciate it. Oh wait, you said check on M15. Gonna lie, M15, just like the 30-minute, looks like the 1 hour. It's all ranging. It's all ranging. Mickey, can you consider the 4763 red candle as a fair value gap? Guys, Haroon, Smokey, answer that question for me. I don't know how to identify fair value gaps. Not my thing. Oh, there's playing games right now, honestly. You saying Benny just the bottom wick, yeah? No, man, no. Oh, dropping back down again. What do you reckon this DXY is gonna do? DXY still looks very bearish though. DXY looks very bearish. Maybe market open will react to, we'll get a real reaction to NFP, because even though it was, even though it was mixed news, actual NFP was good numbers. They were good numbers, you know, which we could consider would be good for gold. I mean, bad for gold, good for USD. But instead we had that push up. So at market open, will we have the proper reaction? Or are we waiting until after consumer sentiment in 40 minutes? And then we get the sell-off. Trend wise, are you still bullish on gold? Overall, yes. Overall, yes. But, you know, we're going to have pullbacks, aren't we? We're going to have pullbacks. I'm not opposed to gold dropping. Have you taken any trades today? No, not in this range. Not in this range, no. No. I didn't like, I was thinking about taking sells here, but I didn't like this, like these supports here. I was too cautious. I was overly cautious. And also the 1 hour didn't look very good. The 1 hour looked like this. So if I don't have an A+ setup, then I'm not taking a trade. But the idea was we sort of closed just above Asian highs and then we just closed right back in the Asian range. So I was thinking sells down to Asian lows, but like I said, when I looked at different time frames, the idea was this. The idea was down here to get a decent risk reward, but then I had this support here, which I thought it would have given me a negative risk reward, and the daily was bullish, the 4 hour was bullish. It just wasn't giving me sells vibes at that time. That was it. That's the only trade I did that I had today. I mean, I could have caught some decent pips actually, but it was kind of trading against the trend. Look, 230 pips, that's the furthest it would have got, but nah, it didn't look good to me. Then we had an NFP today, so I was hoping I'd get a move after NFP. Still might get a move depending on what these candles decide to do. They decide to actually break out and go somewhere. Shoot. London session is so weak. I agree. It's been tough. It's been tough for us London session traders. What's your take on the market? If we can break these 4 hour highs, I think gold can continue up. If it doesn't, and we sell further into this Asian range, then I think we might come back down, retest this 4 hour support at least, 46.82, 83. But still overall bullish on gold. Still overall bullish. At long term bullish on gold. Let's see what happens at market open. I'm looking for a sell though. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. If we don't break this high, if we don't break this resistance, then yeah, I'll be looking for sells too. But I always have two biases. If price does this, then I'm looking for buyers. If price does that, then I'm looking for sells. What I'm not trying to do is guess which way price is going. I'd rather have confirmations and then act on that rather than, yeah, guess. If the sells line up, I'll take the sells. The buys line up, I'll take the buys. I try to keep it very simple, you know. Man. You guys are looking for sells. Where are you trying to get in? Or are you in already? Because I'm guessing you want a good entry for yourselves. Gold is not trying to sell just yet. What's goody, gold? What's goody? What's goody? Tapped into this 1 hour resistance. 27.53. Oh, the US proposal to end the war is under review. This might be bullish for gold. This actually might be bullish for gold. Finally ending the war. That would be great. That would be great. Sells to close the week. You know what? Let's see what the weekly candle's looking like, because I ain't done that today. I actually haven't looked at the weekly candle. Ending the war would be good for the market. It'll be good for gold, yeah, because the war is causing oil and DXY. Not good for, I'm not talking about well, I'm talking about gold specifically, but yeah, ending the war would mean that DXY and oil will drop, and therefore gold will continue bullish. And if DXY is going down, if US dollar is getting cheaper as well, that's probably good for like the NAS and US 30 and S&P. Yeah, so for the stock market too, it'd be good. Did that news just come out? Yeah, it came out at 6 minutes ago. Look, the US proposal to end the war is under review. 6 minutes ago. Maybe that's why we had that little pop. Not pop, but maybe that's why we started to push back up a little. Oh man, yeah, maybe not. Who knows? And who knows these days, man? Who knows? Any little flipping bit of news and shit's doing the most. I don't see nothing recent just yet. Let's go on. Let's go on. Good old X. Let's see what's crack-a-lacking over there. Oh. Yo, Drewski done a skit talking about British actors are taking all the roles. And he's... Drewski is so funny, I swear. He's actually so funny. He does say he's from Manchester, but he does a London accent, so he fucked up there, but it was pretty funny. It was pretty funny. What account am I on? Okay, market open. Ding, 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 ding. It was right. I thought it was funny. You could tell who he was mocking as well. Damn, gold. I ain't. Yeah, bye, gold. Bye. Bye. To the moon, to the moon. Oh, wait, hold on. Iran Foreign Ministry spokesperson. I wonder if it's coming out here. I'm actually looking at the same. Yeah, let me chill. I'm looking at X for the same page that gives me this news here. Our armed forces are fully prepared and closely monitoring the situation. Wherever necessary, they will respond with full force to any aggression or provocation. Yeah, they're on smoke still, man. Oh, look. Oh, look, Naz is pushing up. You know what that means. You know what that means. DXY still coming down. But you know, maybe this is just a push up for like better sells, guys. Who knows? Who knows? Maybe that's what it is. Maybe. Am I waiting for sells? I was waiting for a closure above this 47.34, but I didn't get the closure. But we're pushing, and we've broken those 4-hour highs to the left. Yeah, I think we might get this daily wick fill. Let's see. It's a pretty clean range to the left. Pretty clean range. I think we out of here. You're waiting for sells? Okay. We might get something like what we had yesterday. We get a push up. We may push up into this 4-hour level up here and then drop. Or we may push to 4,800. Just the option. Just the option, okay? Just a possibility. Maybe not. Maybe. I'm up 420. Yes, Chris. Yes. Love that for you. Love that for you. Yes. What's your TP? What's your TP, man? What's your TP? What made you get into the buys? Look, DXY is coming down, guys. Look at the price. Do you guys do that? Like, I don't have to look at charts, but you just watch the prices and obviously know what price is doing, whether it's up or down. But DXY is really dropping. No bueno. No bueno. Hey, you in these buys, Benny? Did you take them? Did you take them? TP is at 47.65. Love it, love it, love it. After M30 closed bullish. Oh, this one, 4-hour bottom wick. You did say that. You did say that. That was a nice move. Nice move. Real nice move. Real nice move. That is conviction right there. da, 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 da. You know what? Benny is a prime example of why everyone should do their own analysis. Do you know what I'm saying? As much as I'm here talking about what I want to see, and everyone talks about what they're in, what they want, where they think price is going, everyone should definitely do their own analysis, come to your own conclusions. Don't blindly follow anyone, you know? So much for Friday sales. Trade your own analysis, because that's your own money. Word. This is why I have two biases. You know what I mean? Yeah, but my thing is I like to trade with at least one of the higher time frames with me. So if my daily candle's bullish and my 4 hours bearish, but I have bearish structure, I can get into the sales based off that. But if my if my daily and 4 hour are both bullish, I'd rather not take sells against that. Do you know what I'm saying? I've got to try trade the higher time frame candles, because I just want to be in and out. I just want to be in and out. I don't want to be holding forever. I don't hold forever. I don't hold long positions. Maybe like an hour or so, if that. 30 minutes. Sometimes I'm trading a 30-minute candle. If sell side position after some sell. Say that again. Alright, how far is this thing trying to go though? We've got 20 minutes left of this candle. I don't like that. It's a lot of time for price to drop back into the Asian range and sell. Do you know what I'm saying? I don't like it. Hopefully it doesn't. This is interesting. And we got news. We have news as well in 20 minutes. Yeah, I'm gonna leave after that news. After that news, I'm donezo. Watch out for the 15-minute as well, man. That 15-minute pulls back into the range. Yeah, I'm not in this trade yet. You're right, it's still time in this H1 to reject down. Yeah. Me, like, one thing with me, and I said this, I think I might have said it yesterday. If I want to take buys, I'd prefer if the candle doesn't push up in the first. I prefer if price doesn't break out very quickly in the first like 5-10 minutes of the candle, because it leaves so much time for the candle to drop back down and retrace. Where's this crease come from? Yeah, I don't like that. So I would rather, if I'm looking for the sells, I'd rather get a bit of a drop first and then a push. I mean, look at this candle. This current 30-minute candle doesn't even have, it barely has a bottom wick. It's there, but it doesn't have much of a bottom wick. So I'm not a fan of that. Are you on the, yeah, I'm on the sideline. How was your week? It was pretty quiet, you know, I'll be honest with you. It's a pretty quiet week. It wasn't, I didn't really catch much in London session. Yeah, it was a pretty quiet week this week. I didn't like the price action much. Like yesterday I wanted the buys up to 4,800. I was thinking we're bullish, but this candle didn't have a bottom wick, and I was very concerned that price would, I could get into some buys and then price would drop back and sell, which it literally did that. That's why I had, you know, no bottom wick drawn out yesterday. Wednesday was very rangy. Wednesday was a bit weak. Tuesday, how was Tuesday? I don't think I took any trades on Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday wasn't nice either. And then Monday we wanted, Monday, I think I was looking for buys, but the 4-hour double top was played out at like 5,500, and that happened. But it was, I mean, look, this was NY session. By the time I got to London it already like left. Yeah, it's just mad. It's just been a weird week price wise. I mean, news wise as well. It's a lot. I'm bearish because of that 4-hour bearish engulfing candle. 4-hour bearish engulfing candle. This one? You talking about this one here? There's Tech. This one or this one? It has to be this one. You're bearish because of this one here. This the candle you're talking about? That's the candle you're talking about. I don't know. I don't know. I'll be honest with you. I don't know. Because we've broken the high as well. Expected the low, broken the high. There's a possibility that we can break highs and lows, but right now I don't see it. But that's just right now. Anything can happen. There's still time. The 6th candle to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're bearish because of this candle from yesterday? I don't know why my voice sounds so much disbelief. I'm sorry. There's a lot of disbelief. There's oh man. Yeah, I don't know. You know, if that's your analysis, then that's your analysis, my guy. Trade what you know, trade what you see, trade what your strategy tells you. Right? I agree the price action after Monday's double top play was a bit crap. It was. And do you know the mad thing, Ash? Did we not on Sunday say we were looking for buys after... On Sunday, we said we were looking for buys once price came and made that top wick on Monday. I mean, that bottom wick. Do you remember? We wanted the sells before the buys up. If we literally just hit buy from 4,500, we'd be laughing right now. We'd be laughing. We'd be laughing from down here. Look. We wanted the bottom wick for one of these. This candle, I think it was. Right here. We just said, we're going to get this bottom wick and then boom. And that's exactly what happened. So, you know, sometimes the analysis is right. or the idea is right, but the entry, you don't get the entries, you don't get the plays, you don't get the moves. Now bear in mind, that 4,500 was the lowest point of the week. It was the lowest point of the week, and price action has been a bit weird since. But yeah, we basically called it to a T. We did indeed. It's like that though, man. You know what? I don't mind not taking a move, as long as, if my analysis is right, I'm just happy about that, because it means that what I'm seeing, it's good information, it's good intel, it makes sense, and I prefer that. This week I'm gonna try, I didn't record last week's meeting, but I'm gonna try record it this week. I might go back to Google Meets. Google Meets seem to be a bit more user friendly. It's a bit more user friendly for me. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go to that. I took buys from 45, 10, 13 and 16, but it took 3 H4s to pull up from that area. Damn. Okay. Man, didn't it? Imagine if you, no, I was saying this yesterday. I was like, imagine if you just hold from certain places. Ugh, I can't do it. I need to stop thinking like that. I don't get FOMO, but I always say that to myself. Man, it's like, there'll be a day where I can swing trade. There will be a day. I think there will be a day. I'm gonna try at some point. I'm gonna try. Because I can't keep calling levels and, you know what I mean, at the beginning of the week. Imagine being bullish on gold and actually watching it hit the lows and push up, and not being in it. When I think like that, I'm like, yo, that's mental. Like, what am I doing? Like, why am I not in that? Yo, look at Naz. Naz is gone, mate. Holding is easier said than done. For my mental health, I don't even say imagine I held. I've said it like 2 or 3 times this week. I can't help myself, because it's like, imagine. I can't even stop saying it. It's so bad. Be moving and shaking. In fact, let me see my 4-hour candle. Now the next 4-hour candle, there's the late 4-hour candle, there is a resistance here. There is a little level right here. So if we get a little tap, or if we don't break this current 4-hour candle high and drop, we could have some big sells. I kind of see that move happen a lot. We don't quite reach a resistance, and then the next candle might wick into it and then drop. If there's a trade I think might happen, I'd rather put a small position than no position. I hear that. Where are the sellers in the chat? Where do you get in or want to get in? Is anyone in here still in sells? I know someone said they were in sells from yesterday. So I'm assuming they got in Hopefully they got in at a really nice high point. But Lord, if they let this run back on them without taking no partials. Ooh. Ooh, max pain. Maximum pain. See, stuff like that is why I wouldn't swing. That's 820 pips from the high to the lows to now be up 200 to be two. Oof, nah. I couldn't. I think I just taught myself out of swing trading. I think I just taught myself out of swing trading. Yep, I think I just did. I had some sales yesterday that I thought to hold, but I closed an Asian session. Thankfully, I was in at 47.63. Of course you were at the tippy top. Nice. Yes. Oh, so you caught a banger then. Okay, I see you, Ash Daddy. Oh, let me go to the restroom. All this water I'm drinking. At the tip, I know, right? Alright, yeah, I'll be right back, guys. I'll be right back. Uno momento. Yeah, that was nice. That was a nice move, girl. Nice move for you. Right. Said Ash Daddy, haven't heard that nickname in years. It's been a minute. It's been a minute. Alright, so look how we've tapped into this 4-hour level here. I do believe the next 4-hour candle here opens. If it doesn't break this high, I think we get a sell-off there. Prompt's about to speak? Don't do that. Is he? No, he speaks in 2 hours. Oh, don't do that. Fucking hell. Don't do that. Spliff. What are you doing to me, man? What happened to you? Jeez. Don't do that to me, Spliff, man. Come on, guy. Don't do me like that. 2 hours. 2 hours, Trump speaks. What's he talking about too? Speaking at the White House. Broad range of subjects. Oh man, Trump just needs to shush. We do have news in 5 minutes. No worries, no worries, no worries. Oh man, I'm trying to be out the market before Trump does anything. Anything. Trying to hear Trump saying nothing. All right. I wanted to leave us with a bit of a top wick, a bit of a wick that we can not fill or break or no, and then maybe then the sells make kind of sense. This is a pretty strong 30-minute candle. It just pushed up out of this range. Real good push out of this range. I'm gonna keep this up for the news because it comes out quicker than Forex Factory. So what are we expecting? 49.7, 49.7, less than 50. I believe for this news is not good for the economy anyway. So whether it comes out good or bad, I think, yeah, if it comes out less than 50, I think it's still bad for USD. Getting a bit of push up there. Nah, I can't believe how this is gone. About to hit 29. That was 50 pips from 28.90. How's this 4 hour gonna close? Is it gonna break this high? If this 4 hour breaks this high, I mean, closes above this little resistance here, I'm just imagining candles now. I'm imagining candles. I can see these two, well, pretty much 3 wicks in this area. So I'm imagining, you know, we drop back a little bit, leave a top wick. Next candle creates a top wick and then sells down to leave a wick in this area like the previous candles. Market's too high, so here comes the manipulation. Oh, Benny, don't say that. Don't say that. I won't be surprised though. I won't be surprised. I won't be surprised. Like if he was gonna say something to tank the market, so anything was gonna drop the markets, this would be the best place. We're at pretty much all-time highs. So sells from here don't look bad. They don't look bad. $44, $47. Can we reach $47.65 today and then sell, or are we just gonna blast off to towards 4,800? That is my question. If we sell from here too, we might get a 4 hour double top. Nah, actually I don't like the structure. Nah, I'll take that back. I'll take that back. That don't look good. We closed above, so we got a closure above on the 4 hour. What are the numbers? Bad numbers. Bad numbers. No top wick. I have a top wick, you know. I have a top wick, I do. But it's very tiny. It's very, very tiny. You see it? It's a very, very minuscule top wick. Oh, are we still going to get the sells anyway? What are we trying to do, gold? We're trying to do pullback here. 3 o'clock. If this dumps back into the Asian range, that is wild. How far is this thing gonna drop? This could just be the 4-hour bottom wick, or it could retrace from here, respect this zone. I don't know. It closed above, man. That's like, I don't know. I wouldn't even be opposed to the candle making a top right here. Oh, I wonder if I can draw that. Let's see. So if like this was the top wick. Oh, what am I doing? Oh my god, that looks like the candle. That looks like the top wick. Don't that look like the top wick? That's crazy, isn't it? If people look at this, they'll be like, what happened? You missed the price action. You missed that. Nah, that's mad. That probably looks like the candle top wick. But what I'm saying, my point is, price could push up here, leave a top wick like this, and then sell back down from there. That's why I drew that. That looks mad. Don't that look like the price action? You guys missed the move, man. You missed the move. Price hit TP. Price hit TP. Oh, psych that. Look at that. That's nuts. It actually looked like the top wick. Right? It did, didn't it, Benny? He said sell. The XY is moving up. That's what I'm expecting to play out. Yeah. I like that idea. If gold can, like, yeah, even if it doesn't push up more, I could see gold selling from here. Like, real talk. DXY moving up. But gold does what it wants. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Right? Gold's gonna do what gold wants to do. Alright, what do we have next week? What do we have next week? What do we have next? Oh, I'm coming down. I'm coming down a little bit. Alright, next week, what we got on the docket? We have... Oh, my man's starting next week. The new... No more Jerome Powell. Oh, JP, man. JP's out the door. Damn. Kevin Walsh is going to be the new head of the Fed chair. Okay, cool. Oh, we got CPI on Tuesday. We got PPI on Wednesday. We have retail sales on Thursday. Okay, so we got a pretty busy midweek. I love that. Cool. Alright. But yeah, guys, I'm out. I have a pretty busy afternoon, which I'm not looking forward to. But yeah, for me, if gold can close back in this Asian range, then to me this is a fake out, and I'm getting into sells probably on the 330 candle. Honestly, yeah, man. Yeah. I want to see gold come back down. Oh, no. I want to see... This is what I want to see. Let's do... So, yeah, if it closes in this range, then maybe a little top wick. And then... sells. Some sells. All the way down. Boom. Yeah. I don't think the candle's going to be this big, but yeah. If we close back in a range, then yeah, this will be a fake out to me. Pushed up, closed back in here. 4 hours with me because 4 hours bearish. And then sells maybe down to this 4 hour support. Yeah, maybe at least 47.11, depending on how far this drops, something like that. What's happening, Will? You good? You good? Catch any moves today? Catch any moves? How's your day been? These are some good sales down, man. All good here, no move today. Yeah, man, same. This pre-NFP price action has been tough. It's been tough. Tapping Asian highs. Now, let's see if it rejects or if it drives through. If it breaks this previous 30-minute low, we are going down. Oh. Where's the 30-minute low at? What price is that? 26. Yeah, I think we're dropping. Friday sells. Where's Carl? Oh yeah, we're dropping. I might not even be able to catch my trade. I wanted the next 30-minute candle. It might just drive without me. So close. I know, right? He was like, so much for Friday sells. He's gonna miss the move. What was I looking at? That's it. I wanted to look at. Had quite a bit of news today. Oh yeah, we're going down. Yo, how far is this thing selling, guys? How far is this thing selling? $30 low broken. Yep, all them sellers are about to come back in here. Back near the H4 flip. Oh, your H4 is about to flip too. Damn. Enoch, what's happening? What happened? Tell me you got out. Get in, get out, man. You can't hold gold for long, man. You can't trust gold. Oh yeah, nah, this thing's gonna sell. 46.80s perhaps? Oh, say no more. If it sells, I'm expecting it to go down to 45. What? Last time I said to someone, oh, do you think it's gonna get there next week? That shit happened within like 2 hours. Like the TP to me was so outrageous. I was like, all right, so you're holding for like a week or so, and it happened that day. That was funny. So now I don't put nothing past gold. I don't put nothing past. If it wants to go that low, it's gonna go that low. It's gonna go that low. I said talk that he does. Yep. All right, guys. I'm gonna have to love you and leave you. I was trying to get off like a couple minutes ago, but you know, gold started falling out of the sky. Don't worry. When I end the stream, that's when it really is gonna tank. That's usually the play. But yeah, man. Look, this 4 hours flip bearish. This 4 hour just fell out the sky. Nice, man. Nice, nice. Good luck if you caught this. Good luck if you caught this. Good luck if you took. Well done if you took the buys. Well done if you caught the sells. Just well done for today. Well done for today. I will see you guys on Monday. So I think Monday is like literally the only quiet day we have. Monday and Friday. The only... I'm expecting to buy from near where you missed the buy. Where did I miss the buy? H1 didn't break the low yet though. Ooh. Yeah, Monday's quiet. That's good. It did not, did it? I mean, we still have 46 minutes though. We have 46 minutes for the 1 hour to break the low. We have so much time. So much time. Did break the high though. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see. I'm chilling, man. I'm chill. Oh, look at that pullback. No bueno. Maybe this just a 4 hour bottom wick, or you know, it's just I don't know. I don't know. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. But yeah, guys, I'm logging off. I'm logging off. I'm logging off. Gotta go do some prep real quick. But I will see you guys on Monday. Be careful out here. Gold is doing gold things. Gold is doing gold things. And I'll try to be in the Discord. I've got a bit of a packed afternoon. But I'll be in and out. I'll be in and out. Peace out, guys. Cheers. And I will see you guys on Monday. Peace. Behavior just, I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you. Be careful out here. Peace, peace.